15 Best French Dishes to Try Out. Because France is recognized for having the best cuisine in the world, these French delicacies will take you to paradise and back. Let's have a look at the best 15 recipes to attempt at home. 1. Steak frite, for starters. This recipe is simple but gorgeous, and it is inspired by French bistro cuisine. Try it out and see how happy it makes your family. 2. Chicken confit. In this classic confit, the chicken is salted and seasoned with herbs before being slowly cooked in olive oil to make it rich and tender. 3. French onion soup. To get you through the winter, try this delightful French onion soup dish. Keep in mind the cheesy croutons. 4. Bouillabaisse. This traditional French fish soup is enhanced by saffron, citrus, thyme, and chili. Giving it a go is worthwhile. 5. Salmon and papillote. The novel technique of wrapping fish in paper before cooking keeps all of the moisture and tastes in the fish. 6. Quiche Lorraine. Lorraine quiche is one of the most popular foods. Originally, quiche Lorraine was a smoked bacon-filled open custard pie. Cheese is only used in the most modern versions of the meal. 7. Croque, monsieur. Only in France could the simple cheese and ham toastie be elevated to gourmet status. Top it with a poached or cooked egg to convert it into the equally fashionable croque madame. 8. Boeuf bourguignon. Boeuf bourguignon is a great example of how cheap cuts of beef can be converted into beautiful haute cuisine. If you want to be real, use a Burgundian Pinot Noir for this dish. 9. Cassoulet. There are 3 regional varieties of cassoulet, which is one of the great classics of French cooking. The distinctions between them have eroded through time, and their ingredients have been questioned. The crust is also a point of contention, with purists asking that it be broken into the stew 7 times during the cooking process. 10. Lamb shank navarin. Navarin is a lamb ragout from France, or stew. The lamb is gradually cooked till it melts in your tongue. 11. Hazelnut dacquoise. The famous French dessert dacquoise, pronounced dacquoise, is so magnificent with layers of nutty meringue and luscious whipped filling. 12. Frangipane tart. This French-style tart has a fruity twist. Top it off with salted caramel sauce for a dessert everyone will love. 13. Tarte tatin. Was this the product of a kitchen mishap, or did the Tatin sisters intend to bake their apple dessert on its side? We'll never know the full story, but this delicious tart is in a league of its own, with a buttery base, creamy fillings, caramelized fruits, and plenty of syrup. 14. Souffle. These light-as-air treats are impossible to refuse. 15. Paris-brest. This custard-frilled choux pastry ring is like a big chocolate eclair and is a cousin to the croquembouche. Thank you for watching.